हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने सीखा फाइनाइट स्टेट मशीन, जस्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट ऑफ फाइनाइट स्टेट मशीन एंड हाउ टू रीड अ फाइनाइट स्टेट मशीन, how to represent a finite state machine in state transition diagram and state transition table. So if state transition diagram is given, then we can construct its state transition table, and if state transition table is given, then we can draw the state transition diagram. This all we have already studied in previous video lecture. Now today we'll study types of finite state machine. So there are two types. First type is deterministic, that is DFA, deterministic finite automata, and the second is non-deterministic, NDFA, non-deterministic finite automata. So let's start the first one, deterministic. Finite automata is represented by 5 tuples M, Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, F. I have already told you states can be represented by SIs or QIs. So here I am writing, here I am using Q. Q naught means initial state. So now this capital Q is set of all states. Sigma means set of inputs. Delta is a transition function. So delta is from Q cross sigma to Q, or you can say it is a subset of Q cross sigma cross Q. This is Cartesian product. Q naught is initial state and F is finite state. It means this deterministic automata is finite. So F means finite state. So now this is very important, and DFA is an finite state machine where a state cannot move to more than one state with same input. That is, only one transition can follow with same input. What does it mean? It means a single state cannot move to more than one state with the same input. So you can understand this by an example. So here state transition diagram is given for finite automata, and you know how to read it. And we have converted this state transition diagram into state transition table. So now in this, you can understand by this diagram as well as by this transition table that how it is deterministic. So let me explain by state transition table. Now with this single input, with this input A, S0 moves to S1. So there is only one transition. With B input, S0 moves to 2. So there is again single transition. Similarly, everywhere we have only single transition, only one transition. So that's why this finite automata is deterministic. Now the second is non-deterministic finite automata. It is represented by again 5 tuples. The first Q, sigma, delta, S0. Here I am using S0. You can write here Q naught also. So sometimes we use QIs and sometimes we use SIs. Both are permissible for states, and F for finite state. So as usual, Q is set of states, sigma is set of inputs, sigma is transition function. Here transition function is slightly different. Codomain for this transition function is 2 raised to the power q. That means power set of q. Or you can say this transition function means a subset of q cross sigma cross 2 raised to the power q. S naught initial state and F is finite state. Here a state, this is very important, and in fact this is uh, the explanation how a non-deterministic is different from deterministic. Here a state can move. Here means in case of non-deterministic, a state can move to more than one state with same input. In case of deterministic, only a state can move only one state with the same input, but here more than one states are permissible. More than one transition can follow with the same input. So let me explain once again. डिटर्मिनिस्टिक में एक स्टेट एक इनपुट के साथ किसी एक स्टेट पर ही मूव होगी, बट नॉन डिटर्मिनिस्टिक में एक स्टेट एक इनपुट के साथ एक से ज़्यादा स्टेट पर मूव हो सकती है. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड नॉन डिटर्मिनिस्टिक बाय एन एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस इज a finite state machine. So diagram is there, so we call this is state transition diagram of. So let's see how this NDFA. So now you can see here there are two transition with same input from starting from the same S0. So S0 moves to S2 as well as S1 with the same input 0. So just because of it, this is non-deterministic. So this, I convert this, so I construct state transition table of the same finite state machine. And now you can understand very easily. With the same input, there are two transition of S0. So S0 moves to S1 with 0 input, S0 moves to S2 with 0 input. Except this, everything is okay for this finite state machine to become a deterministic. But just because of this, it is non-deterministic FA.